So I need to change the angle because I was not knowing, but it gets foggy and everything. So I need to redo what I just did when the phone was in the car. So it's okay. Me, I'm so happy to perform. And it's funny because, you know, we put back the time and it's only 5. Like, it's only 5. It's so early, you know? So, you know, that's why I love the rain. That's why I love the night. That's why I live day and night, because like, if you fall into the trap of not liking the weather and like be confined by all the time, you will miss opportunities of a lifetime. So break free of all this linearity. But there is a butterfly, and like what I want to say is that dark entities don't want you to break free of linearity. So it's gonna make you stress about time. It's gonna like, oh, it's night, oh, it's that time, oh, it's raining, oh, don't do this, don't go into nature because of this, so many reasons. You know, when there is so many reasons involved, it's dark entities that try to keep you away from doing what's right. So break free of all this crap by reclaiming back your power, by reclaiming back your health, and let's do this. Oh. Oh, slip. Ah, that was like, what? It's not easy. It's so not easy. That's why nobody do it. It's too hard to overcome all this. But you know what? I came here on planet Earth to do this. To do the sport that I love, to invent my move, and to brave all this, you know? Because I love what I do. If I was not loving what I do, I would not have the strength and the will to put the energy towards overcoming all this, all the fail, all the slip, you know? All the rain that fall on me, you know? But if I'm not doing it, no one will do it. So it's my duty to make it happen. Chicequilibrestyle. And what helped me overcome all this is that I free myself by doing the speech. You know, that's what happened. Like, when the phone was in the car, I give my all, you know? So I put all my energy because I was thinking that the view is gonna be great. But it turned out to be not that great, you know, because too much rain fall on the windshield. So now I'm inspired to get this angle, and the phone is covered, and like, I know that now it's good. But now my legs, my hand is cold. Like, there is so many things that it's more difficult now than before, you know. So I gotta put some gloves on. That's gonna help me. Oh, they are tight. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna take that big time. Yeah, epic rebound. Okay, you see, that's how much I want to succeed. Like I'm putting everything on the line. Like, if you let yourself govern by dark entities, you will never be able to put everything on the line, because they're gonna distract you. They're gonna keep you in dust, not organized. Like for real, the team is removing the dark entities attached to you. Like that should be your main mission on planet Earth. The rain does not bother me, but the puddle of water on the clouds and the lightning, it's bothering me, and it's really hard to paint. And I need to gauge myself with the strength that I throw the ball with all the fails, and eventually now, first outdoor shot. Oh yeah. I've been building muscle, mentally, physically, and emotionally, and that to manifest. Now I'm gonna dunk it, and I'm out of here. Like everything après méditation. Je suis arrivé ici, on est dans les montagnes, c'est un nouveau lieu que j'ai découvert en 2020. Puis il pleut là, pouring, là, genre il pleut vraiment. Puis je savais pas où j'allais être parce que quand que je viens ici, d'habitude il pleut pas. Fait que genre j'ai regardé cet arbre-là où c'est l'arbre qui a attiré mon attention. Puis vu que moi que je suis connecté avec mère nature puis les éléments et tout, j'ai comme senti qu'il fallait que je mette mon parapluie là. J'ai dû tasser une branche, puis ça a marché du premier coup. Puis je me suis assis comme ça et j'ai été couvert de la pluie.